These are the chicks. You have bumps on there like that, oh. So that's the problem for the turkey, which if you cannot cure that one, that's the cause for their, they will die on that one. So only four of them left because most of the baby chicks have so many bumps that I give them a medicine that even did not cure that one. So that's the problem of rainy season. Turkey had a sickness like that. See? So what they said, gave them whole black pepper, the seed. Then I tried that one for 3 days now, and the bumps become dry. See that one? So I will just continue giving that medicine. Actually, I bought a medicine from the uh, vet. What's that? But still, it's not cured. So this other one here is a little bit clean, and some of them have 2-3 bumps like that. So that's the challenges of um, having a turkey like that, baby turkey. So hope the whole bell pepper, black pepper seed will help cure that bumps. The other one is laying on the ground. He has one of the side of the eye. See, as you can see, but so hope the mama here, the boat mama, the other one, the white one, has 7 eggs. Anyway, she had 10 eggs, but I separate some of the eggs. I gave it to the mama here because she had only 5 eggs. So I get 2 of the eggs there, and here it's so that it's total of 14. Oh, 9 eggs over there, and here is 5. So I just grab some 2 eggs from the mama over there, and I transfer on this here. So they are all having 14 eggs. So they have 7 egg each. So this one is the other one is broke her leg because Tam Tam naughty, he's so heavy anyway. And some other here, I give them banana tree so that they can eat. And since it's so having, what's that, rain for how many days, so there it's muddy. So I will bought some risal today. I will buy some risal to put there, and it will become dry and clean there. So that's all my updates for today, and thank you so much for watching. God bless.